Okay, one more thing. I also want to kind of comment on the private show that we got with I call them all Third Eyed Girl because that's just with that Third Eyed Girl, and what made it so forceful and so all consuming to all of my senses. It was wonderful, was because I decided to stay present in that time. If you worry, and in that moment, I'm sorry, not that time, to stay present in that moment. I am looking at Prince, an artist that I truly enjoy. I'm looking at these musicians, Donna, and whose guitar playing is just so visceral, and Ida, bass Ida Funkin' has, like watching her, just hearing these sounds, but watching her do them with such ease. And Hannah, watching her just be in her groove, and hitting it, and just that fierceness that she has, standing next to you and hearing the things that you're saying because you can't believe what's going on. You have, when you're focused on your clock, when you focus on the clock of your society, you miss things. You miss all of that. You can't revisit it, the truthfulness of that moment. You can never revisit it because you never experienced it to begin with. All you can say is, I saw, and that was it. What did it feel like? What did the room feel like? All of these things. I'm blabbing. I did not mean to go there. But your life becomes so wondrous when you always stay in your present moment. You always stay in your present moment. I'm on the bus, and I came to realize that by taking an extra, not even an extra, I get to the bus stop. I am sitting there. I am waiting for a bus to arrive. There are people at this same bus stop. For some reason, I used to be of the mindset that by speaking, by offering a simple hello, or you look nice today, or even a get the hell away from me, it does not take away from my time. Most days, if I'm really open, to it, it actually enriches my day. I make it a practice to, especially if I see people of color, speak to them. Let them know that I'm not also here to harm you. It doesn't take anything from my day. I did not waste any time. Presence. Now. Now I'm eating my food.